Good afternoon, guys. I just want to talk a little bit about the lessons we have available for you during your second semester. So take note, please, we don't have any weekly lessons, so you won't be meeting us weekly to do any lessons during the semester. However, we do have assignment classes, we do have classes for the KCQ, and we do have exam revision classes at the end of the semester. So the only thing that we will do is in August, we are going to do the assignment together. In September, we are going to do the KCQ together. Then in October, at the end of October, we are going to do exam revision together. So just take note of that. The cost will be 600 per module, right? And remember, like I said, no weekly lessons, just the assignments and the revision classes at the end of the semester. So take note of the dates for the assignment so that you do not miss the assignment classes, and take note of the dates for the KCQs. Thank you.